Dentatox Pro, the only 100% natural blend that addresses the root cause of gum disease, cavities, and tooth decay. The acidic toxins and chemicals found in processed foods. We've sourced the purest, highest quality 16 plant extracts and vitamins and put the exact quantities into an easy to use, ultra fast mouth dropper. Every single drop is manufactured in the USA in our FDA approved and GMP certified facility under sterile, strict, and precise standards. We are regularly disinfecting the equipment used to process the ingredients and package our bottles. Dentatox Pro Dropper is non-GMO and safe. It does not contain any dangerous stimulants or toxins, and it's not habit forming. And even though erasing the effects of gum disease and getting rid of bad breath is as easy as ABC, the formula is more powerful than any toothpaste, pills, or intervention out there, because it does not only target every single trace the poisonous chemicals have left on your gums while strengthening your teeth and whitening your smile, it also detoxifies your entire body from head to toe, without you needing to pay a single penny on treatments or intervention that barely have any effect. 137,400 people and counting. I've already transformed their gums and rejuvenated their teeth with Dentatox Pro. People like Janice K, 51, from Buffalo, New York, who says, "I always got throbbing gum infections and feared the worst. Not anymore. I am so happy I could dance." My husband also says, "I'm not grinding my teeth in my sleep anymore." Or Tommy Buck, 57, from Scranton, Pennsylvania, who wrote us, "This dropper is the best. Easy to use, zero pain and stress-free. 1 to 2 drops under my tongue, and it's done. My gums and teeth have never looked better." And Alicia Sally, 49, from Memphis, Tennessee, who says, "If only everything was as simple as using Dentatox Pro. I absolutely love it. No more pain, no more fearing that I'll end up at the dentist paying money that I don't have." Good job, Mark. All you have to do in order to experience the same amazing results in your oral health is to start using this highly absorbable, convenient dropper as soon as possible. The solution is much simpler than you think, and you can get access to everything in the next 90 seconds. Now, knowing all of this, it's obvious why Dentatox Pro dominates any other option to fixing gum disease. Nothing else out there proves to work long term. Instead, Dentatox Pro is a completely natural and 100% effective way of destroying the toxic chemicals that are now corroding your roots and causing small but incredibly dangerous burns to your gums and teeth, sentencing you to tooth decay. Of course, you could go to a dentist who will torture you with sick plaque cleaning methods like dental scaling. These sadist methods can't reach the root cause of your gum disease and eliminate the toxic chemicals. The next time you'll eat food again, they will reappear, making those agonizing drilling hours useless. Or maybe your dentist will talk you into expensive, lengthy treatments like gum grafts or pocket elimination surgery. No doctor can guarantee they work. And good luck getting your insurance to cover the cost of thousands of dollars. When no treatment will pay off, your doctor might suggest you to replace your worst teeth with implants that cost $4,500 a pop. If only money was the only problem here. You'll have to wait 1.5 years just to see if the operation was a success. Not to mention the chemical toxins can cause an infection around the implant and kill your investment just like that. Plus, implants are not forever. They usually have a 10-year or less guarantee. You could put your hopes inside special toothpaste or fake gum strengthening creams, but let's be serious. They'll never be strong enough to be that cure-all you're wishing for. So much distress, so much money wasted, all for nothing. They won't get you well in a million years because they are powerless against the real root cause of your gum disease. Unlike Dentitox Pro, that can get the job done in less than a few weeks while keeping your gums and teeth safe from future dental disorder. Now, if you're ready to say yes to this big change, you first need to ask yourself, how much is it worth to you to be in full control of the way you feel and look? No fears, no health risk, and all your colleagues and friends dumbfounded by your perfect smile, begging for your secret? Just take a second. Imagine how much that would be worth. $100,000? $10,000? $5,000? Even though Dr. John recommended I sell a 30-day supply of Dentitox Pro for no less than $997, considering the 2 years of research, work, and tests that we've invested in this perfectly concentrated dropper. And even though my wife suggested $597, seeing how I'm a whole new person now, while our suppliers would have asked for $397 just for the high quality of the ingredients. And even though many of the 137,400 people who got to experience Dentitox Pro said they would gladly pay triple, thinking how pleasantly easy it is to use. This isn't about money for me. I'll never forget what I felt when I heard Martha saying she could barely look at me because of my bleeding gums and bad breath. Nor will I forget the fear of knowing I am prone to oral infections that can lead to a brain abscess at any second, or the endless, horrendous throbbing pain that I've been through, pain that no pill in the world could fix. I never wanted anyone to feel as angry and helpless as I did. That's why I'll never ask for $597 or $397 or half of that. I just want to cover the cost of the ingredients and keep this site running for as long as I can. Even though I'll have to charge $99 for one bottle of Dentitox Pro soon, and one bottle is surely a lot less than a visit to the dentist, and you don't run the risk of facial nerve damage as it's 100% side effect free. Only while this website remains online, which may not be that long given the incredible threat it poses to big pharmaceutical companies and dental conglomerates, you can get your very own 30-day supply of Dentitox Pro for a one-time, 100% risk-free investment of $69. That's right, just $69. And that's not all. If you order 3 or 6 month packages, we'll give you an even bigger discount. Here's why. Both I and Dr. John have seen the effects of Dentitox Pro on a lot of patients and have run a lot of tests. That's why we recommend you put 1 to 2 drops under your tongue for at least 90 days, just to make 100% sure there's not a single trace of toxins left in your gum pockets, mouth, or body. Honestly, we cannot estimate exactly how many chemicals have accumulated at this point, nor how many toxins are blocked inside the gum pockets, eating at your roots. This depends on many factors, like on the strength of your immune system, your food choices, or where you live. That's why, as a rule of thumb, after seeing the positive results of more than 137,400 people, we recommend you take at the very least 3 bottles, especially since it could take more than 75 days to make sure your entire mouth, throat, and body are completely detoxified and clean. Also, 3 bottles bulletproof your entire system, strengthen and teach your saliva to immediately obliterate any acidic chemical that will dare touch your gums. Or, if you want to turn back the clock on all of your teeth by cementing your roots and whitening your smile while making sure you're protected against any other oral disease, 6 bottles of Dentitox Pro are all you'll need. Besides, there's one more crucial thing that you need to know. Missing just one day of Dentitox Pro might compromise weeks of progress. Each day, when you look in the mirror, you'll be seeing a strong set of teeth and clean pink gums. You'll be feeling healthier and more confident than in years. But if you hit the stop button on the detoxifying ingredients of Dentitox Pro for just one day, it might take weeks or even months to get them working at full capacity again. Until then, the chemicals might multiply and cause harm again. So, you might lose some of the benefits. Not going to lie to you. So don't risk running out of Dentitox Pro. Please take into account that Dentitox Pro is selling incredibly fast, and once it'll be sold out, it will take us 6 to 9 months to produce a new batch, as we're willing to accept only the purest ingredients. Otherwise, its efficiency would be compromised. Of course, we're committed to support you every way that we can. So we're going to let you order a batch of 3 bottles or 6 bottles for a huge discount. You won't be seeing Dentitox Pro anywhere in stores, so secure your stocks now at the lowest possible price. Plus, with every order made today, you also get free shipping. Now, how does that sound? Take a look below. Once you order, you'll be taken to a secure checkout page. Just fill in your payment details using a credit card, debit card, or PayPal. Immediately after you fill in your information and confirm your order, your bottles of Dentitox Pro will be shipped for free right to your doorstep. If you order the 3 bottles or 6 bottle packages, which we recommend as we estimate will run out of stock anytime soon, you'll also take advantage of a huge discount. Just click below to select your package. Your order today is a one-time payment with no subscription or hidden charges. All you need to keep in mind is that Dentitox Pro can be found only on this page and is not available for purchase anywhere else. This is your only chance to grab this exclusive formula. Once again, Dentitox Pro is selling very fast, and once it will be sold out, it will take us 6 to 9 months to restock on the rare ingredients and produce another batch. Plus, remember that missing one day of Dentitox Pro can compromise a full month of progress. So if I were to give you just one piece of advice, this would be, don't risk running out of Dentitox Pro. Listen, by 2025, it's estimated that the dental market will exceed $40 billion. That's more money than one can count. No wonder big dental cosmetic companies have been mercilessly hunting down anyone who dares to make public a natural, easy alternative solution to their overpriced, useless services and brands. I'm getting threats almost every day. After all I've been through, risking your family's safety is not something that you can do for a long time, as you can imagine. Please make your choice today while this site is still up. If you're skeptical, we totally understand. You've tried a lot of methods, you spent a lot of money, went through so much pain, and nothing worked. I am so confident that Dentitox Pro works that I'm going to give you our ironclad 60-day money-back guarantee. If you don't experience any dramatic improvement, or if you're not content for any reason whatsoever, we will issue a full refund, no questions asked. All you need to do is contact us within the first 60 days from your purchase. It doesn't matter if you used up the entire bottle, we will still give you your money back. This means you have 2 whole months to decide if Dentitox Pro is for you or not. No hidden fees or subscriptions, just a safe and secure, one-time, simple health investment. Choose the package you want below. Listen, when you think about it, you really only have 2 choices ahead of you right now. Option 1, stop following this presentation and leave this page. do nothing. Keep going the way you are now, with your gums always sore and itchy, one step away from life-threatening infections. Live in pain, fear, and embarrassment for months, maybe even years or decades. It's not going to be pleasant. Option 2, risk nothing at all today. Grab Dentatox Pro right now, and you'll be surprised at how well it works. So just click below to make your choice, enter your payment details on our secure order form, and place the order now. We'll immediately ship your bottles directly to your home. Every order comes with free US shipping, no matter where you live. I can't wait for you to experience every single benefit that Dentatox Pro has to offer. Still here? Great. I wanted to take a second and answer the most common questions I get about Dentatox Pro. I just want to make sure that you feel 100% comfortable with your decision to order today. Number 1, how and why does Dentatox Pro work? Well, the way this works is pretty simple, actually. Recent research shows that all the modern food we eat contains a series of toxic chemicals that are not only harmful to our bodies, but also to our teeth and gums. The chemicals are like small drops of acid that corrode your roots while causing small burns to your gums, making them bleed. Unfortunately, the natural cleanser of our mouth, saliva, is not strong enough to deal with these super toxic and artificial substances found in today's food. Dentatox Pro gathers both modern and sacred ingredients that have the power to quickly clear your body, teeth, and gums of harmful chemicals. 2, is Dentatox Pro safe? Dentatox Pro has been designed for all ages and medical conditions. Addressing the root cause of gum disease and teeth decay, the toxic chemicals hidden in our modern food, eating at your roots is the most important thing you can do today for long-lasting results now and well into old age. Dentatox Pro has high-quality natural ingredients manufactured in FDA-approved facilities under sterile, strict, and precise standards. Each of the ingredients that goes into Dentatox Pro is tested for purity and to ensure against toxins and contaminants. So, rest assured, it's safe. As always, if you currently have a medical condition or you're taking other prescription medication, we advise you to show a bottle of this dropper to your doctor before you take it, just to put your mind at ease. 3, how and when should I take Dentatox Pro? Putting a few drops of this organic liquid inside the mouth cavity and swirling it with saliva for 5 seconds should be enough to have a great impact. We recommend you put 1 or 2 drops of Dentatox inside the mouth and swirl it with saliva for 5 seconds daily, either in the morning or in the evening, for a powerful deep toxin cleanse that clears your entire body, gums, and teeth. Number 4, what if it doesn't work for me? Can you tell me about the guarantee again? The more results we see, the stronger we believe Dentatox Pro has the power to completely transform your gums and teeth. It's true, though, that nothing works for 100% of the people who try it, as each body works in its own way. That's why every bottle of Dentatox Pro comes with an ironclad 60-day money-back guarantee. If for any reason you aren't fully satisfied with the results, you can just return what you haven't used for a full, no question asked refund. 5, how long will this supplement be available to the public? Well, I'm not really sure, but history has shown us that the dental care industry is not afraid to spend millions of dollars in legal fees to remove something that threatens its very existence. After all, it makes sense. Wouldn't you spend $1 million in lawyer costs to protect the $40 billion per year you make? So, all you have to do today is click below. Fill in your payment details on our secure order form and submit your order. I can't wait to hear your success story.